Okay, so I just got the Watch 3 Pro. I still have the Watch 2 Pro here, and a review of it should be out already by now. If it's not, then maybe tomorrow or so. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox it. I'm not going to waste any time, and yeah, let's just start. Alright, so as usual, we drop this one here, and this is the watch. So the unboxing experience is almost similar to the Watch 2 Pros, and the only difference that I can see right now is this button here. We'll get into that later. Let me just keep this. We'll have the charger here, or the cable. It's the same cable, I believe. It's the same magnetic cable. Let me keep this, and this should be the manual. Yeah, this is the manual. I didn't go through the manual of the Watch 2 Pro, and I doubt I'm going to be going through this manual either. So yeah, finally there's nothing here, so that's everything you get. You can scratch here to get the code, and you can scan the code to know if you have the original product. Okay, time to peel this off. Yep, so this is what it looks like. It looks similar to the Watch 2 Pro, like I said, except this sensor's part is actually covered, unlike the one on the Watch 2 Pro. There's a microphone here, which means that this one can also be used for making phone calls. And the speaker has 3 slots, unlike the Watch 2 that has just 2. I wish you could see it. I know it's not visible enough, so please just bear with me. But yeah, this one has 3, so maybe that's another difference. So I'm not going to power it on in this video. I'm going to charge it, and yeah, the charger I'll be using is this 10-watt charger by itel. If you want to get the charger, then watch the video in the description. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about the charger. So that's all you need to know about this Watch 3 Pro. Subscribe for the full review, and from the review I believe you're going to know if it is worth upgrading from the Watch 2 Pro to the Watch 3 Pro. Alright, I'll see you in the video.